In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up direct debit in Wise. Direct debit lets approved companies pull money from your Wise account automatically for things like subscriptions, utilities, and loan payments. This guide walks you through the in-app flow and explains what each screen means, so you know exactly what you're sharing and how to keep your account secure. Start on your phone by opening the Wise app, make sure you're signed in and your app is up to date so all the latest options appear. From the home screen, look to the bottom navigation and tap Payments on the right. This takes you to the area where you manage transfers, scheduled payments, and direct debits. Next, choose Direct Debits. This section is dedicated to payments that merchants collect from you. If you're new to this, the page may be empty, and that's normal. You're about to add the information a merchant needs to set one up on their side. Tap Setup Direct Debit. Wise will ask which account you want to use. In Wise, account details are tied to specific balances and currencies, such as a local account for GBP, EUR, or USD. Pick the balance whose local account you intend the merchant to charge. This ensures the debit uses the right currency and avoids unnecessary conversion. After you select the account, open Account Details. Here you'll see the numbers a merchant requires, such as the account number, sort code, routing number, or IBAN depending on the currency. Review them carefully to make sure you're looking at the correct balance. If you maintain multiple balances, double-check the currency label at the top of the screen. Now copy the account details. Use the copy buttons next to each field so the information is exact. You can paste these details into a merchant's mandate form or share them securely through their checkout. Only provide these details to trusted organizations and make sure the name on the mandate matches the name on your Wise account to avoid rejections. That's all there is to setting up direct debit in Wise. Once the merchant processes the mandate, future payments will appear under direct debits within the Payments tab. Keep sufficient funds in the chosen balance before each due date to prevent failures, and monitor this section to see upcoming and past collections. If something looks off, you can return to the same screen to check the details you shared and contact the merchant if needed. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to use direct debits confidently with Wise.